Hey guys, so today I went to the supermarket and I pick up a few items, so quick grocery haul. So I purchased a few items, nothing specific, just some random items that I needed. You can guess in the comments and let me know how much do you think all of these items come up to. So I purchased one box of oats and one pack of cinnamon water crackers. I prefer to buy this one. It tastes a lot better than the regular water crackers. And I saw this instant noodle that I wanted to try, so I picked that up as well. I purchased a few turbo juice mix. I also purchased a cake mix, strawberry cake mix, and I purchased a bag of Carl's bag juice. If you know, you know. Nice and refreshing. I purchased a bottle of lime juice, some granulated sugar, one tin Betty condensed milk, purchased one tin of pineapple slices because I'm gonna do some Christmas ham in the coming weeks. I'm purchasing the ingredients. I purchased a pack of sesame seeds, my favorite vanilla lasco. I also purchased some black pepper and a pack of island spice ginger powder. And I also took up a pack of Geddes spaghetti. I also took up a bottle of the Home Choice sorrel extract. If you want a nice sorrel sauce, you can buy this extract. It's very good. I also took up a bottle of oyster sauce. When I'm doing my stir fry videos, I can utilize that. I took up 3 packs of Lasco coconut cream powder. Drop in the comment, let me know which one of the milk powders do you prefer, whether it's Lasco, Grease, Kendall, or any of the brands. I wanted to make a small fruit cake because Christmas is coming up, so I took up a few ingredients. So I purchased some raisins, bull cherries, prunes, and I took up a pack of margarine. I also purchased this bacon burger. Tastes really good, so I always pick it up when I go to the supermarket. I purchased a dozen eggs. I normally take the tray, but I'm just topping up. I also took up a pack of mixed peel, some retail jerk seasoning, and I took up a bottle of Suppligin. I haven't drank it in a while, so I took up one of them. And I also bought a can of cherry that is for my that is coming up in my next video. I purchased 3 Home Choice hot and spicy sausages, and I purchased a small bottle of ginger extract and 1 tin of corned beef because I have 2 more that is in stores. So I'm just topping up on my corned beef. And I purchased a can of sweet corn. I also purchased some breadcrumbs. I haven't eaten ramen noodles in a while, so I took up 3 cup noodles and 3 packs of ramen noodles. To go with my bacon burger, I purchased some burger buns that I'm gonna use to make my sandwich. I also purchased a bag of hot dog rolls that I'm going to use to make some hot dogs because I have some franks in the fridge. I purchased a box of cornstarch, and I was looking for this liquid smoke for quite some time, so I grabbed that while I was in the supermarket. I also purchased a small bottle of white vinegar, and I purchased a sorrel beer and lemon bear, which I love so much, so I had to take up 2 of them. I normally buy 6, but I'm cutting down on it. I purchased some meat to make soup, and I also purchased a little pack of mixed vegetable. I also purchased a aluminum foil and a bottle of Downy and beads. These make your clothes smell so nice. I purchased a bottle of that. I also purchased a bottle of pyro, ants and flies and all those insects. I purchased a roll of napkin that is always needed. It's finished so fast. Maybe I need to buy the case next time I go to the supermarket. I also purchased a bottle of Dawn dishwashing liquid, and soap is always needed in the house, so I purchased a bottle of that. So yes guys, this is what $23,185.27 got me in the supermarket. Let me know in the comments below if you think it was worth it, while keeping in mind that this is not a regular monthly shopping haul. These are just some few items that I really needed for my videos, and to top up on a few things like the sugar, the milk, just a few items. And here I'll attach the receipt so you can take your time and go through to see the cost breakdown of each of the item. Then you can leave your comment and let me know what you think. If this supermarket is expensive, should I try a new supermarket, stuff like that. Just leave them in the comments and let me know. Until next time, stay safe.